Hey everyone, in this video we are learning how we can create a virtual machine in Azure. So let's get started. So firstly, we have to log in with our Azure portal, and then after login we have to it's basically come with Azure service here we can get. But if you're not showing the here option, you can click create resource, and then here you can see there is a option for virtual machine, this one. Or if you can also search here, you can see here we got a virtual machine. So you have to click that, and then there is a option create. So click that, and we have to create a virtual machine. Click virtual machine. After clicking, we get some basic form. So just we have create for a try version. So just we create some. Oh, so first we have to create a resource group. So just create and write creating VM. This our create VM. Yeah, that's take this name, and we have to give the name that we give a VM oh, test VM test VM one. Yeah, we can take this name, and then take a reason. You can take any. I just take as the default, and I didn't take any availability zone. Yeah, I want to get as a virtual machine that is Ubuntu. So just select them, and this is all option is good, and I am using a SSH public key to access the machine. And there's a username. I choose a default that is Azure user, and I have to create a new key for the access my SSH. So just give the name. This is key, and yeah, we go to this section, and then we have to wait. Yeah, we got it. So let's take it default that 30 GIP, and yeah, that's good. Let's go to networking part, and we can't create any virtual network, or now we have externally. So we take as a default, and as a management monitoring, we don't need to monitor that. And these are advanced features. We don't add our custom script after launching. And yeah, that's it how we can create a virtual machine. So we have to somewhere it's filled that our form that we have add information correctly or not. It's take a little bit of time. Yeah, it's pass the validation, and then just we have to click the create button. And here there is a one screen that we provide that SSH key. Download it. I think it will be downloaded. Yeah, it is downloaded. So go to return to create a virtual machine, and we have to again wait. The virtual machine is created. Then just visit that, and we have to click the connect. We got one command that is this. We have to copy that, and we have to go now to our PowerShell or CMD and type SSH. Yeah, here it's come like this means your system support SSH, and then it's give that things, and do one thing, that go to your downloaded folder where your key is installed, and then just open with terminal, and then paste that command, and here just give the name of your private key. That for me that is key.pem. Click enter, and yes, I want to connect, and yeah, here we have connected our virtual machine. Just write sudo apt update. Here it's working fine. Now, after that, if we want to delete this machine, so what we can do, we go to our home, go to resource group, and if not able you are not able to see in here, so also you can scroll and go to the navigate and choose a resource group, and here you can see there is a two groups are created. That one is create VM that we have created, and another one networking. So just go to the creating VM and delete group, copy that, and here, and it will be delete your virtual machine that you have created. And also you can delete the second one, that is network. Go delete, copy, paste, delete. That's it. Your virtual machine has been deleted. Now go, if we go to resource group and go here, you can see about it will be deleting. We go to refresh and go to F11. We have to go to the notification. Here you can see both resource group are deleting. It will be deleting. I want to show. I have created one notes that is a easy reminder how we can create a virtual machine. For that, create a new tab and go. I will provide you direct link. So here you can see a complete note how we can create a virtual machine with a pictures, what you have to click next, how and how we can connect. Here I have showing how we can connect the virtual machine with a terminal. If you are using a Linux, so you can use this command. This command will be added because you have to change the mode of access data. You can use that this file. That's it. In Windows, you can directly run this. So yeah, I think it will be, yeah, our network group is deleting, and just we here to refresh, and it will be deleted soon. So yeah, thanks for watching.